Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our series through Arkansas and Missouri, and we begin this video on a triplex of U.S. Highways 63, 412, and 62 in Sharp County, Arkansas. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Hardy, which lies mostly in Sharp County, but part of the northeast end of the city extends into Fulton County. Hardy was the county seat of Sharp County until 1963, when the seat moved to Ash Flat. The 6-episode Discovery Channel reality television series Clash of the Ozarks was set in Hardy. The program focused on the lives of the people in the community. Hardy residents said that while the series was entertaining, it was mostly a work of fiction. As of 2019, Hardy is home to an estimated 765 people. At this junction, highways 62 and 412 turn left to head off to the west, and we continue on US 63. Here we leave the city of Hardy and enter Fulton County, formed in 1842 and named for William Fulton, the last governor of the Arkansas Territory. Fulton County is an alcohol prohibition or dry county. Fulton County had an estimated population of 12,477 people as of 2019.
We conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.